Hi, Alok here once again, and today I'm going to show you that how you can open a model. Suppose you get a model and where you can open the model and see a GUI view of it, like what are the activation function that are used, what are the input, what is the output. And second thing we are going to discuss is how to solve the dynamic input problem. So dynamic input problem is once you convert a TensorFlow model to a TensorFlowlite model, so you will face this problem, or you might have faced this problem. So there is a solution for this. So first of all, let's come to the first thing is how you can view the model without actually opening the IDE. So you can go to this GitHub repo, and they have an and obviously a DMG file for Linux, and for other for DMG file for Mac, and for Linux and Windows and browsers also. So for Windows I have downloaded exe file and I have installed it. So the software name is Nitron, and it's really good to view the model. So let's come to this. Let's see the model first. So this once you download and install it, your all the TF-Lite or all the models will be converted. The icons will be converted like this. So you just have to right click it. You can double click it, and you can open. You can right click and open with. So Neutron. And so once I double click it, I can actually view the model. Takes some times. So you can see the GUI view of the model, the layers and everything. So you can actually open any model and see it, and the models that are supported are given out here. So you can see .hf file, .pt, .pytorch, .pt, cafe models. You can view all the models with this software. And the dynamic input problem. So you can see that I have converted a TensorFlow model to TensorFlowlite version, and you can see this the shape is irregular, and actually the expected shape was 2 cross 1 to 1 comma 2 to 5 comma 2 to 5 comma 3. So but so how I solved this problem, let's see it. So while converting the model, we just have to give a input, set the input, I mean, like this. So I wanted the model as 1 comma 2 to 4 comma 2 to 4 comma 3. So I just, before converting the model, see I have converting the model. So I'm taking the my model dot set input, and then I'm running the concrete function and converting the model to TF-Lite. So I think so you must be aware of this conversion technique, but just you have to add this line to solve the problem. So I have already run this, and I have got my model. Let's see the output. So I'll download this to my desktop. So it will take some time. So once it is ready, it is asking me to open the model, and let's see this. My problem is solved or not? Yes, the problem is solved. It is now the input has been set to 1 comma 2 to 4 comma 2 to 4 into 3. Let's see the previous one. So initially it was like this. So this is how we solve the dynamic input problem, because TensorFlowlite still now does not support the dynamic input size. So maybe in the future they might solve it. And thanks for watching the video, and stay tuned.